Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we talk about Skagen Falster Generation 6 smartwatch. Along with telling the details, I am also sharing some pictures with you, so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Skagen Falster Gen 6 smartwatch has been launched in India. It runs on Google's Wear OS and is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus platform. It is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. Company says that the Skagen Falster Gen 6 smartwatch delivers lightning performance and extended battery life. It was first launched at CES 2022 in January, alongside Razer X Fossil Gen 6, developed in partnership with gaming peripherals brand Razer. Skagen is launching the Falster Gen 6 smartwatch with 5 styles in a 42mm case size, including silver tone, charcoal, and black case colors. Styles have been launched on straps made with stainless steel mesh, silicone and leather, and are also compatible with all 20mm straps and bracelets. Smartwatch's smart battery modes coupled with the Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus platform offers extended battery life, over 24 hours. You can also get battery life for multiple days in the extended battery mode. Falster Gen 6 is also touted to deliver an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Gen 6 boasts an upgraded heart rate sensor and a new SPO2 sensor. Watch can be paired with both Android and iOS smartphones. Users will have access to download new Wear OS apps and experiences on Google Play. Smartwatch has a swim-proof speaker and microphone. It will also be compatible with Google's new system update, Wear OS 3, announced in 2021. It also comes with 8 GB of storage and 1 GB of RAM. Connectivity options: Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, GPS and NFC SE. It will be available soon for purchase. It is priced at Rs 21,995 in India. So, friends, how did you like this smartwatch? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video. And please, subscribe our channel.